In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly from Gmail. If you're someone who frequently schedules meetings and values efficiency, this process will definitely save you time and effort. Let's dive right in and see how you can streamline your workflow with this integration. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zoom Marketplace. This platform allows you to find and integrate a variety of apps with Zoom. Once you're there, you'll need to make use of the search function. In the search bar at the top, type in Gmail. This search will bring up various add-ons and integrations related to Gmail. Now, you'll see a list of potential options. Click on the one that simply says Gmail. This will take you to the specific page dedicated to the Gmail integration for Zoom. It's quite straightforward from here. You may notice a small arrow on this page that allows you to access more options or settings. Click on this small arrow to see what's available for you to configure. Once you've familiarized yourself with what's available, look for the option to Add for Myself. This step is crucial as it ensures that the integration is added to your account, allowing you to start using it right away. Click on it and the app will be set up for personal use. After adding the Zoom integration to your account, the next step is to head over to Gmail. Open Gmail in your browser and take a look at the right sidebar. You should see a collection of icons representing different apps and tools. Among these icons, you will now find the Zoom app icon. To proceed, click on the Zoom icon in the sidebar. This action will open up the Zoom integration within Gmail, where you might encounter some on-screen prompts. These prompts help in getting the app fully integrated and configured with your Gmail account. Follow these prompts carefully. They usually guide you through signing into your Zoom account and granting the necessary permissions for the integration to work seamlessly. Remember, each prompt is designed to ensure a smooth setup, so take your time to read and complete each step as instructed. And that's it. You now have the ability to schedule Zoom meetings directly from your Gmail interface without ever needing to leave your email environment. This integration is powerful because it combines your emailing and meeting scheduling into one smooth flow, drastically reducing the time spent switching between applications. Thank you for following along today. By incorporating this Zoom Gmail integration into your daily workflow, you can significantly improve your productivity and focus more on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. Happy meeting scheduling!